Hi, I'm Joe Paiva from GeoLearn, and this video is to tell you a little bit about how the licensing process works, because for some, working with the FAA to get your drone license can be a little bit intimidating. How hard is it? Well, a lot of it depends on you, your experience, and your abilities, but it's relatively easy as long as you're willing to put the work into it. So to be legal to fly drones, you need to have your Part 107 drone license. To do that, you need to study. You need to go through the various materials that are available that you will be tested on. One way to do that is to go to this badge on the FAA website, click on it, and it'll give you all the information that you need to know. There's several downloadable PDFs, but some people find that a little difficult because you don't have anybody guiding you. And so study aids, that's books and other things, as well as websites, can be very helpful. They cost some money. They're not unreasonably expensive. And then when you have studied, you take your exam. As I said, you need to study for your exam, and the topics that are covered are actually listed at faa.gov/UAS. It consists of 60 questions, lasts 2 hours, and you need to get 70% correct. It's really not hard if you are process-oriented, because flying is a very process-oriented activity, and with drones, it may be actually more difficult than if you are sitting in the aircraft. What else? Well, your ticket only is good for 2 years. So there's what's called a recurring knowledge test that you take every 24 months. And don't forget to register your aircraft. You do this online, and it only costs $10. What else? Well, on the website, they list a few things. This is only a quick overview of things. So your unmanned aircraft must be less than 55 pounds at takeoff. You can only fly in Class G airspace, and you'll notice there's some asterisks next to some of these items. That's because there's several explanatory notes that I'm not going to get into here. Keep the unmanned aircraft within visual line of sight. Fly at or below 400 feet above ground level. Fly during daylight, or what FAA defines as civil twilight. Fly at or under 100 miles per hour, yield right-of-way to manned aircraft, and do not fly directly over people. So that's just a quick overview. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Check us out. It's www.geo-learn.com, and thanks for listening.